Alright guys, to trick 10 for Quant 45 to 51, presented by Mission MBA. Backsolving in Algebra, in specifically problem solving questions. Now guys, GMAT is always about data handling, data analysis, how to use the data for best of your use, how to use it efficiently and effectively. So when you get algebra problem solving questions, you can solve them very easily without actually even solving them, just by plugging in the values from the option choices to the question. But how to use it most effectively? That is the question. If I tell you that just by plugging in two values you can get to your answer, isn't that astonishing? So guys, let's see and learn it. John needs to buy a ticket to attend a conference for work. His own department contributes 4 less than half the price of the ticket. The HR department will contribute 1 more than 1/3 of the price of ticket. With these two contributions, John has to pay only $10 out of his own pocket to cover the cost of ticket. What was the price of ticket? Now, as soon as I read the question, I get to know that it requires me to form some equations and solve it. But if I don't want to solve it, or if I'm not able to form the equation, what to do? Use the data. Back solving. But how to do it effectively? Now I will teach you. The first step you're going to do is arrange the above numbers in ascending order. 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now most of the time, GMAT does it for you. The answer choices are given in ascending order. But if not, you will quickly write them down. Now, start with the middle number. Why? Because when you plug in the wrong value, it just not tells you that the option choice you have used is wrong. But if you analyze it closely, it will also tell you whether you have to go down or go up. And once you get to know it, you will get rid of 2 more options. For example, if I get to know that the price is less than 48, then I'll be left with 36 and 42. And if I get to know that the price is more than 48, I'll be left with 54 and 60. So let's see how this helps me to know that. So I'll start with the middle value, of course. As I have told you, arrange in increasing order, start with the middle point, 48. So the total price of the ticket, 48. Fine. His own department contributes 4 less than half the price of ticket. Half the price of ticket is 24 and 4 less than that makes it 20. HR department contribute 1 more than 1/3 of the price of ticket. 1/3 of the price, 16. 1 more than that makes it 17. What does John pay? John paid 10. So total is 47. So total he has in hand is 47. The ticket price you are saying is 48. That's not possible. And we also know that the ticket price should be less. So that's what is the other thing you need to realize. We need to bring down the price of the ticket so that the scenario matches. So guys, see, I get to know that 48 is not the answer, but I also got to know that 54 and 60 is also not the answer. So now I'm left with just 2 options by plugging in 1 value. So now you can try any one, right? If the scenario matches, then that is the correct answer. And if it does not match, the answer is the other one. So since you were very close, just a difference of $1, I'll try the option near this one. So I'm going to go for 42. So if I go with 42, what happens? Let's see. So total price $42, right? And we have his own department. So half of this is 21 minus 4. You're paying 4 less than that. So 17. What about HR? 1/3 of it, 14. And 1 more than that makes it 15. And John pays 10. So 17, 15, 32 plus 10, 42. Perfect. Scenario matches. So in 2 trials, I've got to the correct answer. So the answer is 42. Now, I was explaining you this time, so I might be a little slow. But once I do it on my own, very quickly I get to the answer. Just in 20 to 30 seconds. Right? So now I hope you have understood it. Now I'll do it quickly and you just try to analyze that what goes in my mind when I see such questions. The key is that when you start with C, you need to know which options you need to cut down after your analysis. So let's try once more. John needs to buy a ticket to attend a conference for work. His own department contributes 4 less than half the price. HR 1 more than 1/3 of the price, and he's paying 10, right? Let's go ahead and try it out. So let's quickly write down the numbers: 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. So I'll start with the center one. That's 48. Fine. So his department, half of that, 24 minus 4. That's 20. Right? HR is 1/3, 16 plus 1. That's 17. And he is paying 10. That's 47. And the ticket price, 48. No, I need to bring this down. The ticket price should be less because we have less money in hand. Gone, gone, gone. Try with the new one. 42. His department, half of that minus 4, 17. HR, 1/3 plus 1, that's 15. He pays 10, 17, 15, 32, and 10, 42. Perfect. The scenario matches. Your answer is 42. And we are done. So guys, you can just see that how quickly I was there. Might be around 20 seconds, and that has actually helped you in your quant section a lot. So 42 is the answer. Let's try one more question and the things will become more clear. So X agreed to work for 1 year for 45,000 plus an expensive guitar. X quits after 7 months and received 20,000 plus a guitar. How much was guitar worth? Now, options 10, 15, 20, 25, 30K. Alright, so here GMAT has already done it for us. He has already placed the option choices in increasing order. Start with the center one, 20. So if it is 20K, the price of guitar, so he has to be paid 45 plus 20, that's 65K for 12 months. So for 1 month, it is 65 upon 12, which approximately comes out to be 5.5K. Guys, the calculation should be quick. I'll make a video to make your calculations quick as well very soon. So you can subscribe our channel if you don't want to miss such more videos coming up for making your calculations quick, because that is very important in GMAT. So for now, 65K for 12 months, 1 month 5.5K. So for 7 months, you're going to have 35 and 38.5K. Alright, so we need to pay him 38.5K. And what we are paying him? We are paying him 20K plus the guitar. That means 20 plus guitar 20. That's 20, 40K. So guys, clearly, we are paying him more than we should have paid. So the scenario mismatches. But I also realize that the price of guitar should be lower because you are paying him more. You have to lower down this to match the scenario. So this two are gone. Let's lower down the price of guitar. Let's go to 15K now. So we have to pay him 45 plus guitar. That's 45 plus 15. That's 60K for year. So for 12 months, you're paying 60K. So for 1 month, you're going to pay 5K. And for 7 months, you're going to pay 35K. Quite simple calculation. Now, if you're paying 35K for 7 months, then here, what we are paying? 20 plus guitar. So that's 20 and plus guitar, 15. That's again 35K. Now, you matched the scenario. Fine. Very good. You're done. The answer is option choice B. So again, within 2 attempts, I got to the answer. That's how you need to deal with it. I'll just repeat. Arrange the option choices in increasing order. Start with the middle one. Analyze whether you have to go down or you have to go up. In the previous case, the price of the ticket was more, so I have to bring it down. Right now, you are giving him more money, so you have to bring the price of guitar down. And that's what I did and got to the answer very quickly. Do not forget to subscribe us. Please do that if you haven't done that so far, because we are coming with regular such beautiful tricks and traps which are definitely going to help you to jump from 45 to 51 within just 10 to 15 minutes videos. Thank you and have a nice day.